This video is part of the course that is GraphQL with Spring Boot. Link for this course is given in the description.
Hello and welcome back. So now you know what is Project Lombok and why we need Project Lombok. So before we start installing Project Lombok in our local machine and we start using Lombok in our Java application, basically GraphQL with Spring Boot application, let's first see one simple Spring Boot application with REST APIs. See, till now we don't have GraphQL with Spring Boot, okay? So to understand Lombok, I am having one simple Spring Boot application with REST APIs. So here I am having one student controller that is having one get API that is returning student details, okay? Nothing fancy, see, just hard-coded values it is returning, no database, nothing, okay? And this is the response model class which is being returned from our controller basically to the consumer in the format of JSON. Very simple Spring Boot application. See, to learn Project Lombok, it is not required to have Spring Boot application or any other web application. You can use Project Lombok with any of your Java application, be it desktop application or be it web application. It doesn't matter that your web application is using Spring Framework or not, or say for example you have Spring Boot application or not, it doesn't matter. You can use Project Lombok with any of your Java application. So the bottom line is you can use Project Lombok with any of your Java application. So here I am having simple Spring Boot application. So before we start the next lecture, make sure you get this code and ready in your local machine.
If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to learn GraphQL? If yes, then I'm having complete course on it, that is GraphQL with Spring Boot. This course covers what is GraphQL query, mutation, schema, and the difference between GraphQL API and REST API. This course also covers the real-time implementation of GraphQL with Spring Boot. This course also includes how to use Project Lombok with Spring Boot application. So, what are you waiting for? The course link is given in the description. Just click on that link and start your journey of GraphQL with Spring Boot. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.